Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
That's order. New grills, new amp cover, stainless steel.
Yeah.
All new stuff.
Wow.
Done, even the new center console.
Did you build this in the vehicle? In the trunk? It slid in?
You have to take out the driver's seat, passenger seat, and the center console, and the back seat.
Oh, wow. There you go.
It goes in from the car in. I had to cut the whole back seat out.
Wow.
Everything.
Did a good job.
All my batteries are underneath the car completely.
Okay, it's
I got
underneath.
4 of them. Yeah, I got 4 of them. So
Are they lithium or AGM?
No, I had JYs.
JY lithium.
The
Okay.
first ones, but then I got rid of them. Then I got me limitless.
Okay.
I sold those for the good money. Then I was gonna buy me some Yinglongs, and I did it.
Okay.
So right now I'm about to buy me 4 bags of Yinglongs, but I'm waiting.
Okay. So what's under here right now?
Just right now, 3 3200 power batteries. They're
Okay.
old.
Okay.
They're like 7 years old.
Okay.
But they
All right.
still be. I traveled to Indiana and all that with them.
Okay.
I got 2 NXV floors, night shades, custom.
Okay.
Inside. Base amp is up here. You can see inside the car.
Nice. Looks good.
Custom powder coating, custom coils, and custom spider
Okay.
inside.
Wow. I'm gonna come over. Can I move this out the way? What's in the doors?
Right now, today before I came here, I blew my X's, DRV X's. So
Okay.
right now I just put 4 Neo magnets, DS18s.
DS18s, okay.
Yeah, DS18s.
Got it, okay.
And then the doors are the 700, 7 MBs.
Okay. There you go, yeah. Nice work.
And like I said, I travel all the time. That's what the stickers are up here for Slamology.
Nice. So did you black out, or how did you seal off your trunk with the color?
I had first tints, and then after the tints, I put 2 coats of plastic dip because my bass amp was getting overheated from the sun.
There you go.
Slamology hits 115 degrees sometimes.
Yeah.
And then I just removed the back deck. The rear third light just broke from the base.
Oh man.
But
Okay.
that's okay. I just go buy another
Yeah,
one.
just get another one.
The custom seat is done for now like this, but I have a center console that's gonna come from here straight down with 2 6.5 X's, the little ones, and then with a center bridge over that covers all my amps and everything. That's for
So
next
you would
year.
be able to actually have people sit back here.
Yeah, once I finish it, they're gonna be
Wow.
able to sit on it.
That's awesome. And did you actually have to cut part of your seat out to
I
fit
cut the
that
whole
part?
seat. I cut the whole seat. Actually, the seat right now, the main frame that holds this side of the seat,
Uh-huh.
I had to cut it completely off.
Really?
So right now the seat, there's no support in the inner corner of this seat. That seat is perfectly fine. It's this seat.
Okay,
Because
okay,
I
got
need
it,
to
got it.
center the seat. If you see the gap over there, the half-inch gap on the top of the seat,
Yes,
the
sir.
half-inch gap in the gap is because the seat's a little bit crooked because the port has to be as big
Got
as
it.
this. You
So
know,
you took your seats out to fit that box in here and then all
I had
this
to
work.
take that, this, and loosen this up, completely lift it
Wow.
up to get the box in the car.
And you did all this?
I did everything I do. I have my
Very.
own team. I have my own team.
Nice
New
work.
York. I'm from New York.
Okay.
The car is jacked. I have a lot of other things for the car.
Yes, sir.
It's just a small process, you know.
Yes, sir.
People think they see New York guys that we only, unlimited money.
You did good. And these are the 12s?
No, 15.
15, sorry, okay. Fourth order?
A full quarter, yeah.
Wow. Like a 2-to-1 ratio?
Yeah,
Or
this is cubes is 7.8.
7.8
I
cubes.
tried to get 8 cubes exact, but I wanted to keep my seat, so I had to give a slight angle, like a 5-degree pitch to the box, so I lost a little bit of my
Yes,
cubes.
sir.
But that, I wanted that because I wanted to be musical. I compete. You can see me on YouTube and all that.
Okay,
I
yep.
compete in street battle.
Okay.
For New York, Philly, Virginia,
Really? Okay.
Florida. So I compete all the time.
Awesome. What's your SPL score, the best you got out of it?
Today I want to go on it. I know with my other setup, when I had my other 2 cells, the 12s, I hit 143 at 23 hertz.
Ooh, that's low.
But this one here, so far I demoed it in New York, I got to 27 hertz. I got to 27 hertz, but I didn't get to see the score. The meter didn't pick it up.
Yep.
But everyone keeps telling me don't do lows because you kill your batteries completely.
Got
They
it.
say go in the upper
Higher
SPL
all good.
You know, I got my little bass knob and all that because I like playing around with the bass
All right.
to feel the bass. But I do have a lot of bass.
Okay. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Awesome. I've never seen a trunk box layout where you actually modified your seat and slid in through the front cabin, removing all the seats. This is impressive, man. You did a really good job.
Yeah, I have my own team. I was the president, but I made myself vice president because in my team, I'm the one that talks the most.
Okay.
So I'm always out in the streets.
Yes, sir.
So,
Very nice. You on Instagram or Facebook or anything?
Instagram, yeah.
What's your page, if you know?
Joe Peanut. Yeah, Joe Peanut, just my name.
Okay.
Instagram. So.
All right. Nice. I'd love to hear it. Do you have an upgraded alternator?
Yes, JY 300.
Okay.
I want to upgrade to the 400. And then just put a knob. The first port I did is for bass, like to get more amps to do head trick. Yeah. But then because I compete in street battles, I can't do musical.
Got it.
So I changed it more to more musical.
Yeah.
But then I can't do head tricks and I can't move a lot of air. So I like the bass to travel. So I have to constantly tweak it, and I tweaked it to that port right now. So I'm happy so far. The only thing I need is more battery, more juice.
Yes, sir.
To buy me more battery.
Nice to meet you, sir. Your name again?
Joe.
Joe. All right, Joe.
Yeah.
Really nice job. I appreciate you showing me.
We also have a channel. My team has a channel on YouTube. It's called Blame the Tuning.
Blame the Tuning. Okay.
Blame the
all
Tuning.
right.
That's
We'll check it out.
All my teams and everything I go and all that. That's basically.
Very nice. This came off from the flex.
It's all right. I'm constantly knocking it down. Do not worry. I put them on all the time.
Okay. Just don't want to make sure the bass is breaking it off.
No, trust me. This is not the first time. Even in competition, I sometimes blow them right out.
Yes, sir.
All right. I can give you a song right now.
She get paid for a fest, you know, so she need a stomach time, taking a ride, pull that. Party is full of you, niggas with no chance. Party is full of you, niggas, there's no problems. Hold that. She ain't playing when he comes and hand in my mouth. She ain't playing on a power, what you know, girl, you got it. She goes. She gon' show after 95. I just wanna let you up. I just wanna let you pop. She get paid for fashion over, so she need a stomach tight. Taking a ride, go there. Birdie is good, now you niggas who got no chance. My dreams full of you bitches.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.